Welcome back to the deep dive.
Happy to be here.
So today we're looking at something I think we've all come across, right? A super slick, really professional looking online retailer.
This one is a women's clothing site called Tivonette.
And our source material for this is a great breakdown of how that sophisticated marketing can sometimes mask what's not
Yeah.
really there.
Yeah, it's that tension between a really beautiful presentation and, the actual operational transparency of the company.
Exactly. Okay, let's unpack this.
So the first impression is, by all accounts, fantastic.
Right. The review mentions a huge variety of clothing, sweaters, dresses, jackets, pants, you name it.
And it's all very current with seasonal trends, but it's more than just the inventory, it's the whole presentation.
The art of it.
Yes, the source confirms they just nail the user experience. The photos are high quality, they have that compelling lifestyle brand vibe.
I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah.
It makes you feel like you're buying a whole look, not just a sweater.
Precisely. And the site is apparently super easy to browse, everything's organized, and the prices are noted as being pretty reasonable.
Okay, so they check all the boxes on the surface.
Yeah.
The look, the feel, the price. It all seems right.
It does. But the reviewer decided to look a little deeper than the product pages.
And that's where things started to get a little shaky.
What's fascinating here is, as soon as they started vetting the company itself, a few things popped up. Or rather, a few things were missing.
Okay.
3 specific areas. First, Trustpilot. You got to look them up for some third-party feedback. And
Nothing.
0 reviews. A complete blank slate. Which means you're forced to rely only on the reviews on their own website.
Which you can't really verify.
Yeah.
Okay, red flag number 1. What's next?
The only way to contact them is through an email address. No phone, no live chat.
I mean, that's not totally unheard of for a smaller company, is it?
It's not, but when you pair it with the third thing, there's no real physical address listed anywhere on the site.
Okay, now that feels different.
Here's where it gets really interesting for the consumer. Because you might think, so what? But that missing address is huge.
Why is it so important?
It's about accountability. Think about returns, especially international ones, or any kind of, consumer protection issue. With no address, who are you actually dealing with?
It makes them sort of a ghost. They exist only as a website.
Exactly. So you have this massive investment in the visual side of things, but maybe a strategic lack of investment in the physical operational details.
Which all boils down to risk for the customer. The easier it is for a company to delay or disappear, the bigger the risk for you.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, that's the real insight here. It's about seeing how a sophisticated digital brand can be built to fill the void left by a lack of traditional business credentials.
A beautiful site that looks high-end but doesn't have those basic markers of accountability.
Right, so the source's practical advice is spot on, I think, if you're curious and you still want to try them.
You start small.
You start small, yes, but more than that. The review specifically says to use a highly protected payment method like a credit card for that first small purchase.
So you're building in a layer of defense for yourself before you even hit buy.
Exactly.
So what does this all mean?
I think it means that as shoppers, we just have to be a little more critical. We have to look past the branding, however good it is.
It's a tough balance. In this crowded e-commerce world, that strong aesthetic is so powerful. But it might be covering for a lack of transparency.
And everyone has a different line they won't cross.
Yeah, and that's the thought we want to leave you with today. What's the one piece of missing information for you? Is it the 0 reviews, the missing phone number, or that lack of a physical address? What's the detail that makes you click away?